Hey guys, it's Prime Score from Shockbyte, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Waypoint system or map marker system in the new Minecraft Aquatic update. So, how to do this? You're going to need a map and any banner color of your choice. So you're going to place the banner, hold the map, right click the banner while holding the map, and boom, you can see right here there is a waypoint. And that's pretty much how that all works. There is also another cool feature with these is that we can just break it to delete it. But if we go to an anvil and use a name tag on it, and if we can rename this to whatever we want. So I can rename it to town, place it down, right click, and now you can see it's named. And so that makes everything easier and more clear when looking at the map if you have a million different banners lying around, because you can know this one's town. And then a little awesome cool tip, it works on the wall as well if you just put it in an item frame. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Otherwise, head to shockbyte.com and don't hesitate to send us a ticket. Anyways, thank you for watching.